Dia ni ko por pedang so bahai pi baro sha ka food diaries but kalong ka bakmen bangin don ha ni ko por ha ka ni cafe ka bagi jukhat ka click cafe ki ba don bat ngi mentang ngi ki de ki ba penya ki ni cafe. We have Prantish Nazary. Welcome to Food Diaries. But Deepak Singh but pani ngi ki sap jingshat jungi ka ni ka si. So what is it that you have in store for us?
So
First dish.
Today we thought of preparing our special dish, which is our Click Cafe special.
Okay.
So it's called penny pasta. So it's available in 3 variants.
Alright.
Red sauce, white sauce,
Okay.
and a mixture of pink sauce.
Okay.
So today we thought of making a pink sauce.
Tika dish ka ba ngi shat mentang ngi ka ba ngi jukhat u pasta ka ba dai na po Italy. But kadai ka ba kalong kay ka ba kamen bagi yo ikini ki judging shat mata balong ngila ban yo ani ki dukan ki ibro ba ngila ban yo ikini ki judging shat ha po ki cafes ki restaurants what hayeng ro.
So the pasta which we'll be serving today,
Yeah.
it's the penny pasta.
Alright.
These pastas also are available in different variants,
Yeah.
fettuccine.
Yeah.
There are lots of varieties.
Right,
so today we'll be using our special. This is the penny pasta. So along with this, we'll be using our vegetables.
Okay.
There are varieties of them as well.
Yeah.
So bell pepper is there. We'll be using broccoli.
Okay.
We'll be using summer squash,
Yeah.
tomatoes,
Yeah.
and then lemons.
Okay.
And then along with that, we have some more add-ons like the baby corn,
Yeah.
then the corn,
Yeah.
then olives.
Olives.
Then we have our own mixed garlic and onion paste.
Okay.
So we don't use the ready-made ones, so
Alright.
we do it ourselves
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we have a better taste.
Yeah.
So along with that, we'll be using pepper,
Yeah.
black pepper and white pepper. It's a mixture. Along with that, tomato puree. Along with that, we'll be using cream, fresh cream, then salt, then tomato ketchup.
Ti menta pade ngin ya no sha kumno ba ngin yo u ne u pasta ha ka plang ka jongi. Ti menta shwa ba ngin ya chmat ya ka jingshat ba pi menta ini badon bagi mta singi deep idang ot yo uni u som kenjur ni pendon kam kini ki laijat u bajirngam bastem baru basau but ka shape kum ba pi menta ka long kum ka diamond I ot ha ka diamond shape kilaban ot kinu ki shape ndai ting ting haba pi bam ya ka jing bam ting ting ka shong ha ka khmat telada kambiang ka rukom ot kataru ka affect ya ka presentation jong ka dish kung bapiin menta upiat u kilong all diamond shape tini broccoli pade jat bodai ulong pu phul ti menta shlong bu kedia ke berit-berit ti menta pade hilaban pendon kam ya ko pnyang kom ka olive oil ndai menta si pade kin pendon kam da ka makon but ban choose de magi ong stir fry choose de malumala ba un chu I ndai ba kini ki jur kim dai ki ban gem lani ban I palat I think no.
So now we'll be using the ginger garlic paste.
Okay.
We'll just cook the ingredient, the mixture
Yeah.
for a while, and
Yeah.
then we add the vegetables to it.
Okay.
So we'll be stir frying the vegetables.
Menta kini ki jhur barokhat but tang banshu peni malumala namar ba uni pasta pila ban bam ro ko salad yumdai ko bagis de jhur haye mo ban peni lo barokhat uni udai tang banshu ai flavor kdian
So now we'll be adding oreganos.
ti
and
pilai
chili flakes.
okay uni u jhur shuking malumala tau oregano tau som kendung ti bat u so sao pa deu bala the grind deu bala la dung lang I would say dung namar usually you puree thing you use like a blender and a mixture
Since it's a pink sauce pasta,
Yeah.
so we'll be using the tomato puree.
yeah
If it's red sauce pasta, then we just use the tomato puree. We won't be using the fresh cream.
okay
So since it's a mixture, so we'll be using
ti saka tomato ketchup untuk and then
Then we add the
masindap lang
pasta.
to pada sa pasta no
So these pastas actually have been boiled beforehand,
yeah
and we boiled it so that it's not that hard. not that soft.
al dente yeah
Yes.
ti kung ba fiyo so mataw ni pasta room dai ba shu fi shu thiet fi use to na pa packet Day bala ada boil kemudian day ni ba i ba kung bagi juong tin pareng nang top there that is the fresh cream.
It's usually used in the white sauce pasta.
Yeah.
It's made specifically since it's a mixture of two, so we are using fresh cream as well.
And tu pada samarin.
It's a mixture of black pepper and white pepper. Now we'll be adding olives.
Black olives.
Yes. Now we're adding corn as well.
Top there so
This
hadam.
is the sweet corn, not the usual corn.
Undi uri hadam ru uday bangi sweet corn.
Yes.
But pure, it's either frozen.
Yes.
You get it
Or
can
Yeah.
pure hapokatin and they walong frozen. Undi tu uri hadam ba fishu hit na po yo. Nang top there last he add the ka lu. The new pasta ru lalong ready. Plate no new pasta.
So we'll be garnishing it now.
Yeah.
After serving the pasta. Garnishing also can be done in different levels. Like some people they prefer cheese, some they don't.
Yeah.
So we usually top it up with olives.
Okay.
We'll use the olives again.
Yeah.
Along with cheese.
Yeah.
We'll grate it up on top of the pasta. Then we can add some seasonings, which is oregano and chili flakes.
Okay. Gandum
You can add
oregano.
olives.
New oregano le uba I think habang i-shet pasta new they ban done bed, no?
Yes, it's a must.
Yeah.
Then you can top it up with the mint.
Di menta pa dia padina dian. All right. So this is what do you call it?
We call it the pasta, the penny pasta,
Penny
which
pasta.
is made in pink sauce.
Made in pink sauce. Bagi haka pink sauce. So it looks lovely. Di menta pa dia sa ka way ka jai dish ka ba ngijubang barahod and that dish is called
It's called cheese balls.
cheese balls.
It's a snack actually, which usually the youngsters,
Yeah.
the young crowd, they prefer.
Yeah.
So especially for them.
Yeah.
So yes.
Di ko ba fios ngo mata ka ka ba kin pen kre mata ka dai ka bagi ong cheese balls na mata ki cheese balls pa dai kini ki ingredients ki labo mat jongi but ikini ki ba don lang bat ngi mata ka sngi ko ba fijio ki dukan mo ki cheese balls ki to ki ready made ones ki belong kum ki chips ki ba pelon pila ban le ayang asam la ni pila ban try la ni pila ban ong you know ban penyerap ban try la ba pi kwa ban yo ban mat you ni ikini ki cheese balls di ko ba pila yo ngo namta kini ki cheese balls maida ti ka cheese ka makhon peleng kani ka long ka ba ke bakwa ban pendon kam la ni pila ban nai pendon kam peleng ti baking powder kam lu ka dut bat kendiat ka shini.
So first actually we'll be making the mixture. So for that we'll be adding milk to the pan. Then we'll be adding the liquid mixture first, and then we can add it up with the flour.
Okay. So first the milk.
Yes, milk. So we will add
Butter and
butter to that along with a little bit of cheese. So we'll make the liquid mixture first. You can add 2 to 3 spoons.
2 to 3 spoons,
of butter first.
Ti kumba Prantish yung hilaban ay arsamoit ni laishamoit. I think it depends on how much
How many pieces
how
of
many
cheese
pieces
balls,
of
the
cheese balls.
quantity.
Nay kanu ka ba kwa ban shed.
So as we usually make for a single person,
Yeah.
so we add that much.
Yeah. Okay. 60 ml. Ti
So
kan long
it-
kumba 100 po 60 ml.
So it
100
comes to
po
about
ano?
a small cup of milk.
1660. So kalong she's pa ako ml ni kumba sting pala try ladapi.
A small cup of milk.
Small cup, no? Sting pala. Kadud.
And we pour and keep it aside so that we can mix it with the maida.
Okay.
Next.
Nanta kong bafli kapo ka bowl. Ikan ni ka makhon ba kadud ka bala shet lang. Nanta sa ka cheese pa dia. Ti naman tayo kibabang badang ban ba may ka cheese ti ka siyang happy. Kalabiang ne, 1 block of cheese.
Just a half
No?
a block.
Half a
yes.
block. Okay.
Yeah, because later on we'll be garnishing it again with cheese.
With cheese, no?
Top,
Okay.
yes. So we added the milk mixture with cheese. Now we can mix it and add a bit of
You
flour.
combine the other
Yeah.
dishes, no? All the ingredients.
Yes.
Then, saka peleng pa din. Baking powder. Anong kumba?
Just a hint of baking powder. We'll be using.
Tang kandian. Hindi ban ay
Bit of
sishamot
salt.
na niya siting shamot lang tang kandian. Takam lo.
So this is powdered sugar actually.
Ti kani
because
ka
it's
pila
easy
ban
to be
pandon kam
mixed.
kani ka day banday ka powder ka shini ka bala dong la ka bala grind. Hindi ka to ka shini ka badang ka ba pandon kam ban
And
malakasi.
the flour.
Anta so maida.
Just 2 to 3.
2 to 3 serving spoons. Kanlong kumba lai shamot e jong kani ka la pandon kam kani ka ja siang hi yim. So the oil needs to be hot.
Heat enough, yeah.
No?
First, yeah.
Okay.
So when we make the batter, like we can heat
Yeah.
up the
Yeah.
oil and just dip it. Okay.
So in the meantime, I've been dying to ask, so we're here at Click Cafe. Why the name Click? I've been wondering, you hear of different names for different cafes.
So when we started, actually,
Yeah.
so he's my partner Deep. He's
Yeah.
even a photographer as well.
Yeah,
And I myself, I do a bit of editing.
yeah,
So that's how we first met.
yeah,
And we had a common interest, which was coffee.
yeah,
So whenever we used to hang out, so we used to meet clients actually for photo shoots and stuff.
yeah,
So that time, like we used to hang out in cafes and all. So we had that same interest. So we thought, like, why not we make our own cafe
yeah,
where we'll meet our own clients and make it a hub where kind of photographers will
Yeah.
meet new models
okay,
and then we can like collaborate.
yeah.
So that was the main intention, with a good cup of coffee and good food.
Oh,
So that's why we
that's
need a
wonderful,
Click Cafe.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So kung ba flyers ngo manta haba nga kili maka Click Cafe nga ba kwa one tip ya ka meaning jong kata ka balik ki ay ting kung ba flyers ngo kaday namta ka jingi kudo jong ki kum si parlo and ki sotnat bani di coffee ba kaway ka ba ki sotnat ban le ro ka ba ki sotnat ban shondur ti kumtaru ki sedang ay cafe da kata ka theme kabaki ay kateng ka Click Cafe kabaki yo ban shandur keleng saudong bani kendo ikibrio badru haba don kini cafe yo kini kibang kidi kibabang. So now
So the oil has
what
been
next?
heated up. Now
Yeah.
we can add the batter in the shape of balls. Like we can add like how many pieces.
Okay.
Can do.
so kung ba pi menta kung no pa dia ba ladap tu kejingkle in hab up ya ko nyang ba kan kluit ba and kung i deep menta i tap makide ki cheese balls ya ban tap ki kin long pen hab bikin wandor ba kin long pelon
It doesn't take time as the oil heats up. You
Yeah.
just have to make it a little brownish,
yeah.
just in the color of like some cricket balls. Because the way we met also,
Yeah.
it's actually that way. It's an interesting story actually. Like
Okay. Iki kendo lang ban beteng ya kata ka passion ya kata ka hobby ya kata ka jing sautna jongki ti kalong ke ru ka ba hilong ki ba tune in ta sila da ki don ki youngsters ki don benang na piru pila ban le kum jo pini yang kejat la jong just ndai tang ka ba shu up ban wat ki kam ki jam play la la de ban yo kum kini ki ndai yes kini ki cheese balls can have ban kam long brown ti nakakala pila ban tip ba kila ne and Deep, you're doing a good job. PE the kanika rong kala along light brown diyan golden brown ti kam da shimpor usually manta ki brio ki ba haba ki shet ki pendon kam ki lam pen pila ban shet kanika karai lani ki ba don hiyang asam ki air fryer ne as you also normally use yeah pila ban pendon kam da ki air fryer ru kan kam stet kapor nei da shimpor than ko ba gi up mentan ka long ba san minute e ba pinyo enu cheese balls ki bla e ka shongat kum ka jing kwa jumpi do la I pilaban ai shu cheese great then lane laban ai so kandung kata ka long ha ka taste ka jumpi so this is the cheese balls thanks deep it's a wonderful job again ti kane ka ba ngiju soknat ban ba mi ki por ka ba ngiju shongkai pe tv le ni shong ba ki paralok ni di coffee le ni di sha ne just juice this is the cheese balls and it looks yummy Tiki ba dan lang ba ngi mentang si kini kide ki cheese balls but ngi ju kham sok nat ban bam kin ki kirang ba ru ngam la ngam ong ta ki khna ki klung ni kirang ba ru ki la ban shet na ban bam ba hayeng hasam na da ki dor ki brio ki ba wan ka shing hisam ki la ban pen kre uni u judging bam so thanks deep it's a wonderful job again ti hne ko pot pa de kadu judai ka rukom haba ngi bam ngi la da bam ngi kwa ngi pada ke ba pentiang ya ka sintur ka jongi ka ba ka english ngi ong ki desert te ka ba ngi don mantana ka click cafe ka dai ka ba ki khot ka desert drink la ne phila ban bam kom u desert la ne u jing pan bam u ba ban pentiang ya ka sintur jong pi haba phila de ban bam ya ka bam ka ba long heavy so Prantish just tell our viewers what is it that you offer as a desert drink, which is a specialty in your cafe, right?
As you had mentioned, like it's also called the Click Cafe Special.
Okay.
So it's not just a dessert, or it's not even a drink.
Yeah.
So it's a combination of both actually.
Yeah.
So let me show you the ingredients which we use.
Yeah.
So first of all, we'll be using a little bit of coffee. Then we'll be using brownies. Then ice cream. Then we have chocolate syrup here.
Yeah.
Then this one is for garnishing. We'll use marshmallow, chocolate chips, dry fruits, then rose petals, sprinkles, and the cream.
Okay.
And we can top it up with the mint.
All right.
So we can start off with the
What's the ice cream? Or
chocolate syrup.
ibang lupa kelempat da add lut ki ingredients ru namar ba adon chocolate syrup ice cream karu kom thap haba PE kalong kam dai ka ba shukle shu thap dum brohan ta to brownie wow ta marshmallow ta ice cream scoop. This is actually looking like a very special dessert. No wonder.
So now we'll be adding
coffee.
So we used to use mocha pot. So it's actually handmade coffee.
Handmade coffee.
So
Kadai
we can
coffee
use any
ba?
type of coffee, but we used to use this handmade coffee.
Ila da pagkre akarpang ni po Click Cafe. Wow. That looks awesome.
Then you can do the garnishing with the dry fruits.
Di pila ban ai ni dry fruits pa din.
We'll add chocolate
Wow.
chips, sprinkles.
And rose petals kidiki. Di gulab kibla and their khong.
Chocolate chips.
And chocolate chips.
As you can see, the color, it's kind of the setting sun along
Yeah.
with bluish. So
Yeah.
we named this drink the Arctic Sun. So we named it the Arctic Sun.
Ngadap da ka jingkemen habang bat ya kani ka desert and ngamla syo ban up naman nga lakwa ban mat kala ibang siya palat bat kibadan lang bat ngi mata kasi nga nget ba hele pilayo ka idea kumno ka ba kipen create kini ka specialty desert jonki pila ban le hayang hasam nrei pinyo ka ba kambang ni po click cafe ti ngin ya mat ikibam kidi kiba kila pen create mata kasi tikibam kidi kibla pen create mane da kini ki badan lang bat ngi ni po click cafe kilong kiba na ibang shisha bat sikat day eru ngamla syo ban up ban yo ban mat ikini ki specialty biki don ni so deep we'll first dig in with the pasta
Yeah,
huh
we can
Prantish?
start off with the pasta.
Yeah. Di menta pa dia kumba lagi mana meu pasta pink pasta no right all right time to dig in some olives. This is really doing justice to the Italian cuisine, I can say. Baka dega judging bam Italy, but wat lang ipang kre ang niya snong la jang ru ngidang yo kajing mat ka ba le sige brio leng satla ka perthai ba ki badang po Italy ru ki bam ki kalong kumju kajing mat, and that is a big thumbs up to you, Deep. This is a wonderful job. The bang shisha let's say ru baka de ka ingredients ba ngiklam pendon kam da ki bam dai ban pendon kam namar ba ki jai dish ba dai kom ne phi dai ban use ru de ki ingredients ki ba ya habat ka dish right ni pa de ki cheese balls ti fin ki dap de ki cheese po it looks so yum pendon kam de ki khti and ketchup. Bang on. This is so good. Usually, bang ibam cheese te they have sandwich, you know, and ki judging bam they uni the center point of this dish is the cheese. But kabang yo mat ru they full of cheese ka bone ka cheese ba ki brio ki babang ban cheese. Nga try ka ni ka de ka judging bam ka ba pila ban pen kre ayeng. This is really good. Tiki bapet bani baro mentang si ngatrai pila yo jing mentoy shibon ba pi don bani food diaries pi kini ki judging bam ki bam nim da pen kre yang pio ban ready made pio ban chuti ban re ki de ki ba pila ru ban atem ban le ayeng ban try de la di la pimla ti pio ikini hapo click cafe and something really yummy.
That's it.
Ngam kwa shu tang ban pendon kami gini ka samot. Namar ba ka jing pankre ka ba la itanat sa palat. The presentation is absolutely beautiful. And I think more than the presentation, it is the taste. Let me dig in. I'm actually speechless. This is so good.
Thank you.
It is like kampiang, don ice cream, kidon ki brownie, yo ya kini ki sprinkles, kidon ki marshmallows,
And a hint of coffee.
coffee, which is the base. I think bang shaba palat, and rightly said, it is a very special dessert.
Thank you.
ti kani kasi kalong nga ngadap ta jinkmen hang ne po click cafe mata si bat kini ki laingut ki ba penyat ya kani cafe ma ki bam ki di ki bang layo amat nga try ko ba phiru phia pet lang yor ki jingbam ki ba mdei tang ki ba bang bat ki da pin hun shisha hadu mensim ti Mantasi I thank you all for having us from Doordarshan here at Click Cafe. It has made our day. But ikiba tiun lang bat ngiru mantasi yang et pi yo ban pet ki ba kampala mantasi but nginya pinkot no hang ni henrei tiunan biang bat ngi ba hang ne po Click Cafe sakwe ka por na mangidang don sakiwe pade ki jingbam ki ba compare ki ba ki yi ting la pun siya bakut mantasi naka Doordarshan but naka Food Diaries ngida comment ka de bangiyo bandan hakan ka jaka for Click Cafe. I thank the three guys who are running the cafe, Prantish, Deep and Sandeep for having us. But iki badan lang bat ngi mantasi ngat pi yo ban pet iki ba pla kini ki jingbam ki ba pla but nginya don lang hakaway ka por hakan ka Click Cafe but pinyo ibiang iki ba kampala ti sa join lang bat ngi hakaway pa de por. Bless mo ri fi baro.